Welcome back with another productive demo related to Type 2 hypervisor. As in the introduction, I commit that the course will be 70-30 ratio. 70% will be hands-on skills and 30% will be theory. So on the same grounds, we are going for the second demo. Now, when we talk about the hypervisor, we get the basic concept that if you want to install Type 2 hypervisor, it's for testing purpose, it's for demo purpose, or not recommended for industry. And this type of hypervisor don't have the capability to direct engage the underlying hardware of any system. So if you want to install Type 2 hypervisor, for that purpose you need any kind of operating system. It might be Windows 8, it might be it might be Windows 10, or it might be any Linux application, or it might be server OS or server operating system. And in the same manner, we have number of applications related to Type 2 hypervisor. When we talk about VmWare, then VmWare introduces an application for Type 2 category. It's called Workstation. VmWare Workstation. And when we talk about Microsoft Type 2 hypervisor is called Virtual PC. Although right now Microsoft is not focused on the Type 2 hypervisor because Microsoft knows that it's not required for enterprise networks, but initially Microsoft did this and introduces virtual PC for Type 2 hypervisor. And when we talk about Oracle, so it introduces virtual box. So there are a number of applications which you can utilize in the category of Type 2 hypervisor. Here in the previous demo, you see that I utilized the VmWare Workstation application, which is already installed on my desktop machine. Here you can see that I just can the demo of this. Here you can see that here VmWare ESXI 6.7 demo machine I have prepared on this machine, and you know the application is called VmWare Workstation. Here you can see that if I click on this start menu and just search for VmWare Workstation Pro. So this type now the VmWare Workstation Pro application is completely dependent on the operating system. If operating system does not exist, you cannot install this application on direct hardware. And if you want to go for other Type 2 hypervisors, you can Google for it, and I can search for Oracle Virtual Box. Here you can see that Oracle Virtual Box is available for the purpose of Type 2 hypervisor. And in the same manner, you can also search for Microsoft Virtual PC. And now here you can see that, and you can also verify the date Feb 14 2011. So I have already told you that Microsoft is not focusedly working on the Type 2 hypervisor because this hypervisor is not recommended for the enterprises or production infrastructure. But still, for the testing purpose, you can utilize this application. And when you install the VmWare Workstation, you can create a number of virtual machines as I created in the previous demo. So I hope that till now you get the clear concept about the virtualization, about the hypervisors, about the type of hypervisors, and get the demo and your scope or your vision related to the virtualization technology is bit improved related to the certification program. So let's move further and get deep dive into further demo sessions related to the virtualization track.